Welcome to Premium Clean, New Zealand's most trusted cleaning brand. Since 2016, we've proudly served thousands of Kiwis, delivering top quality cleaning solutions in homes and businesses nationwide. As an ISO certified and IICRC approved company, we uphold the highest industry standards to ensure exceptional service and professionalism. Founded as a family business, Premium Clean is now led by General Manager Shirley Coley, driving a vision of empowering individuals to succeed in the cleaning industry. Our flexible franchise model offers strong operational support, making it easier to thrive without the common challenges of starting a business from scratch. Unlike traditional franchises, we offer flexibility, growth opportunities, and hands-on support, making us one of New Zealand's fastest growing cleaning brands. With a presence in major cities across New Zealand, we combine national scale operations with local expertise, ensuring fast, reliable, and customer-focused service. We're committed to eco-friendly solutions, advanced training, and cutting-edge technology, setting new industry benchmarks. At Premium Clean, we believe cleanliness is more than just aesthetics. It's about creating healthier, happier spaces. At Premium Clean, success isn't just about business. It's about making a lasting impact. Welcome to a future of excellence.